Díagwic gachtaine. So for today's Irish lesson, we're looking at Breithlá, Sean agus Shiafra. So it's Sean and Shiafra's birthday. So if you open up your Abair, it's on page 56, and we are going to look at some new words that are here at this side of the page. So we've got 4 new words to learn today. Have a look at the picture. Féach an picture agus tá féasta siúl. There's a party on. Agus tá lán daoine sa picture. There's a lot of people in the picture. And there's a lot of items in the picture too. A lot of ruddy ella. So we're going to learn some of the words that are in this picture today. So what I want us to do is have a look at the first word up here. And it's a balloon. And in Irish we say balloon as well. Balloon. Let's walk down to this picture, and it's a birthday card, and we call this Carta Breithlá. Carta is a card and Breithlá is birthday, so it's a Carta Breithlá. Let's look at the next picture, and we've got a cóca, which is a cake. Cóca. So let me just say those 3 again so we don't get confused. Balloon, Carta Breithlá, cóca. And now we've got this one, and it's a present. And a present in Irish is bruntainous. Can you say that word? Bruntainous. Well done. So let's go back up again and we'll say the 4 words together. I'll say them and then you repeat. Balloon, Carta Breithlá, cóca, bruntainous. Let's see if we can find these in the picture. Balloon. Cá bhfuil an balloon sa picture? You're right here in the picture. Let's look for the Carta Breithlá. Cá bhfuil an Carta Breithlá sa picture? Where is it? Oh, an mór on the table. Carta Breithlá. And look, what age are they? They're 6. Shay. Now, cá bhfuil an cóca sa picture? Where is the cake? Oh, an mór. Tá cóca an mór. It's on the table. Agus cá bhfuil an bruntainous sa picture? Oh, you're right. Tá bruntainous an urlár. It's on the floor. Bruntainous. So let me just say those words again and we can practice again. Balloon, Carta Breithlá, cóca, bruntainous. Mahan Colini agus bucali. Well done. I want you to practice those words, and I also want you to draw these words on a piece of paper and send a picture to me. Thanks guys. Slán.